Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Breakfast at Tiffany's, where we love to shop 24/7. So today I'm at Burlington, and it's kind of a late night run to Burlington. The first thing I see are these cute Bermuda shorts. They're like cutoffs. I would get these, but they don't have my size. But I do like Bermuda shorts pretty much because they're comfortable. But I want to look first at clothes. I think mainly I want to look at clothes today and look in the women's graphic t-shirts, the juniors graphic t-shirts, the short sleeve tops, I should say. So they have like dressy tops, these little polka dot ones, this little terracotta color. I like this one. It's like a tie-dye. I might get that one. And they have this Mickey Mouse. That's so cute. And then they have a Looney Tunes. And this cute one with little flowers on it. I like this one a lot. And it's just $7.99. That's a really good deal for a little dress top like that. There's a Stitch one. So I think in one of my other videos I mentioned how I don't like that Ross has a code on their bathrooms and it says see an associate for the code, and you like have to run all over the store to get the code to the bathroom. Well, Burlington has their bathrooms open, but their lights are off and there's no light switch. So if you want to go in there, you can go in there and be in the dark. And I don't know how your Burlington is, but my Burlington is not a place I want to be in the dark, especially in the bathroom. So, you know, I'm always showing you guys the deals at Burlington and Ross, and I'm not going to sugarcoat their bathrooms. I'm going to tell you like it is. Their bathrooms have seen better days, and they're stingy with them. But maybe I shouldn't have to go to the bathroom when I shop. Maybe that's the moral of the story. So anyway, I'm seeing lots of cute t-shirts. It's a great place to get your graphic t-shirts because I mean $5, $7 for a little t-shirt, graphic t-shirt, a dress shirt. Look at how pretty this one is. I love it. $7.99. So they're like $5.99, $7.99, $6.99 for a t-shirt. So that's a super good deal. And the brands I usually see are Tommy Hilfiger. Look at this one. I love this one. It has little aliens on it. You know, I'm open-minded about aliens, whether they're real or not. But it's an alien eating a pizza. And like, how can you resist that? It's adorable. And this one's cute too. I like the colors on that one. And I like the little emoji faces. Adorable. So here's a little two-piece set. You get sweatpants and a hoodie for just $14.99, and they have several different patterns. That's a super good deal. $9.99 for this tie-dye long sleeve t-shirt. So in another video, I'm going to show you some of the red tag clearance, because I did see some red tag clearance here. I like this one. It reminds me of a Vans shirt, how they have that checkered board. And then here is a super cute tie-dye hoodie, and I love the rainbow sleeves. So I hope you like seeing what was new at Burlington. I'm sure to go back, and next time I'm going to show you some of the red tag clearance. So be looking out for that video. Subscribe if you're new, and thanks so much for watching.